It's like you're the crumb on my cutting board. So the idea is I'm gonna make potato pancakes. Kind of like these, but I don't have mozzarella cheese, so we're gonna put something else in it. What can I put inside of my potato pancakes? Gouda and Spam. Potatoes. Potato starch. Oh. Sugar. First, take off the scrunchie. Take off my ring. Wash my hands. Ow! Oh, that's hot. We're washing. That scream was because I almost dropped one of my potatoes, but I caught it, so there was only one scream. So we are going to take our potato and our peeler, and we're going to peel our potato. What? She's peeled. Now I will peel the rest. There are my naked babies. My potato scraps, and that is the potato scrap that fell on the ground that I will now clean up. So I've decided that instead of steaming them, I will try to microwave my potatoes. How to microwave potato. Arrange potato quarters in 1-quart microwave-safe dish, add water, and cover with heavy-duty plastic wrap. Can you put plastic wrap in microwave? Plastic wrap is actually safe to use in the microwave, as long as it's labeled microwave safe. Does it say? Microwave instructions! Allow at least 1 inch of space between plastic wrap and food. Turn back 1/4 of plastic wrap to vent. Used for short duration microwave reheating. So, this plastic wrap says do not microwave for longer than 3 minutes. Microwave for 8 to 10 minutes. But it also says heavy duty plastic wrap. So maybe I just don't have heavy duty plastic wrap? Should I still try to microwave them? After doing thorough research on how to microwave potatoes, I am going to try to microwave my potatoes. I should clear the space in front of my microwave. Then I need a microwave safe container. This big dish. Then I should cut the potatoes small. Realize you can't really see what I'm cutting, can you? Maybe I shall move you closer. Do you enjoy this perspective? It's like you're the crumb on my cutting board. Anyway, here. Honestly, I get kind of freaked out watching other people slice things. So if you're kind of freaked out watching me slice things because you're afraid I might cut myself, that is totally reasonable, and I do not blame you. And you are free to skip me cutting potatoes if this is not your cup of tea. Okay, well, in order to steam potatoes, I do need to cover them, right? So maybe I'll do a little bit of water, 3 minutes covered with the steam. What says max? Yeah, 3 minutes should be okay. 3 minutes plastic wrap covered. I'll take off the plastic wrap. Well, actually, the plastic wrap is just supposed to keep the steam inside, right? So as long as I put something in there to keep the steam inside, it doesn't have to be plastic wrap, because they told me to vent the plastic wrap anyway, so some steam is gonna escape. So maybe this plate, which is microwave safe, I will put it on top like that and steam my potatoes. That doesn't seem like a horrible idea. Filling this with a little bit of water. Don't know how much water. That's probably too much water. Is this too much water? I don't know if it's too much water. We're just gonna have to find out, I guess. Into my microwave. I really hope it goes okay. Real quick, gonna make garlic mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Garlic. Here we are. It's a little bit of garlic mayo. Here we have our Spam, our Gouda cheese chunks, and our garlic mayonnaise. I'm gonna grab the potatoes out of the microwave. Here we go. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That is very hot. Oh my god. Okay, this is not the smartest idea. I am not the smartest person. There's my potatoes. Now, I just picked up the plate that I had on top of the potatoes with my bare hands. It was really hot. Oh, okay, these are mashing. I don't know if a whisk is the right tool to be using for mashing. Maybe the bottom of a glass? My experimentation you can learn from. Whisk is not doing it. Don't mash your potatoes with a whisk. It's the wrong move. Keep mashing. I think I should add the sugar now. Oh, I kept trying to twist the lid off, but it was just a pull off. That was awkward. They said, recipe says 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's some sugar and some more sugar. I'm gonna add salt. It's probably enough. I'm gonna keep mashing. Call that good. It's not completely mashed, but it's kind of close. There's my mashed potato. We'll add some potato starch. It says 3 tablespoons, so here's my spoon. That's like 1. It's like 2. That's like 3. And the recipe that I watched, the like dough, potato dough, was really like smooth. Maybe that means I didn't mash it enough. Doesn't look too bad. But we're going to continue anyway. Now we're going to see if this mixture can make some potato pancakes. So I'm going to wash my hands first. These hands are washed. A plate to put them on. So now I'm going to attempt to pick up, some of this mixture without burning my hands. Oh, that's really hot. Okay. Maybe I should have let this cool longer, but okay. I probably look so stupid right now, burning my fingers on potatoes. I will just see you when this cools. Here are my lovely potato balls. Please don't get mad at me because they're not all uniform in size. They will taste the same. It's fine. And I will now fill them with my Gouda and Spam. Here is a potato ball. I will mash it in my palms make a disc and then make the edges thinner. So pinching all of the edges. So now she's thick in the middle, thin around the edges. Then I will take one of my cheese slices, stick it in there. One of my Spam slices, stick it in there. And then attempt to make this into a pancake. So wrap the filling, pinch, and so my phone ran out of storage, so I will continue filming this on a camera. This was the last one that I made. It's my potato pancake. Flatten it out. It's got Spam and cheese inside of it, and I'm going to make some more. Look at them! These are my unfried potato cheese Spam pancakes. So light the burner, turn it to like medium, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Wait for the oil to heat up a little bit. Alright, shall we try to fry one? It's not sizzling. It's kind of sizzling. I don't know if you can hear it, but there goes one. That's with myself. Now we're going to let those sit in the oil until they're crispy. Ooh! Okay, camera's about to die. We'll see you back when they're done. Here is our final product. A little bit of mayonnaise. Oh, it's so hot. It's really hot. Which is really good. I mean, like, it's cheese, Spam, and potato. So it can't be bad. And you can really fill it with whatever you want. I just looked in my fridge and saw cheese and Spam. I hope whoever you are watching this video that you see this and you go, oh, that looks kind of easy, that looks kind of tasty, maybe I will also